Hey everyone! Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'm showing you how to add an interactive map to your website using Wix Studio. If you've been looking to help your visitors easily find your shop, office, or event locations, this is just what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add and customize a handy store location map, even after Google Maps has been removed from Wix Studio. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, here's something you might want to know. Google Maps integration isn't available directly through Wix Studio anymore. I know, that can sound a bit daunting. But don't worry, they've made other solutions available that work just as well and even give you some added flexibility. So, here's what you do. Head over to the Wix App Market. This is basically the place where you'll find all sorts of extensions to add new features to your site. On the left sidebar of your Wix Studio dashboard, look for App Market. Click into it and use the search bar to type in Store Location Map. This is one of the recommended apps for adding a map to your site now. Once you've found it, just click Add to Site. Give it a moment. It'll install itself directly onto your chosen page. You should see the new app pop up right on your editor screen. It's a good idea to take a breath here and let it load. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds, as the app is setting everything up behind the scenes. Next, let's set up your actual locations. If you've got one shop, that's super easy. But maybe you have a few different stores or office branches. You can add at least 3 locations using this app, which is perfect for most small businesses. Just click into the Locations section, enter your address info for each place, and double-check for any typos or missing details. Remember, these are the spots your customers will find you. Now, there's a handy Show Location pane toggle in the settings. If you turn this on, a side panel will appear next to your map with all your locations listed out. This is super helpful for visitors who want to see every address neatly organized or compare which branch is closest to them. After you've got your basic info all set up, let's talk about design, because a map isn't just about function, it's about style too. Open up the design settings, and you'll find quite a few customization options. You can choose how your map looks, different display styles, color themes to match your website, font options for location names, and even change the shape and color of your map pins so they stand out. There's control over the app size, background, borders, and more. Think about your website's overall look here. Want a sleek, minimal map? Pick a clean design with neutral colors. Want something fun and colorful for a kid's shop? Go bold. These tweaks help your map fit right in with the rest of your site. Take a few moments to preview your changes, and don't worry if something doesn't look quite right initially. You can always adjust and experiment. That's the beauty of Wix Studio. Instant feedback and easy editing. Once you're happy with your setup and design, just click the Done button to save and complete everything. Your new store location map is now live, ready to help your visitors find you quickly and easily. And that's it. Your website just got a major boost in user-friendliness. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Wix Studio or adding apps. Subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.